So explanation of wills, I put the wills in front of them. I say that you can revoke any and all previous wills, and this is what we're doing, and that you're residents of, whatever county they're residents of. Then I show them the date of their marriage, the names of their kids, ask them if that's correct information. And then the next article, I talk to them about the personal property, and I show them the personal property memorandum in the folder, saying that they can distribute personal items through the separate writing. Just make sure that they date and sign it, and that they're specific enough that their executor, personal representative, knows what they're talking about. And then I go on to the beneficiary section, the next page, and I say everything goes to your spouse. However, that's very unlikely will happen because spouse would have predeceased you normally. So very rarely do we probate at the death of the first spouse because all of the assets were in joint names, and we would just probate at the death of the last spouse when assets are in the deceased spouse's name alone. So again, probate is about assets that are in a deceased person's name alone that does not have another owner and does not have beneficiaries named. And I'm pretty sure that this couple has beneficiaries named on all their assets, with the exception of their house. And then if the spouse should predecease, everything goes equally to their 2 kids per Sturpes, which I tell them that means their grandchildren, not the spouse of their child. And then we go on to name who named as a personal representative, also known as executor. Make sure the names are correct, spelled right and everything. And then I just say the rest of the document is language that is going to be for the benefit of the personal representative, saying they can hire professionals, they can be compensated, which in this case they very unlikely will be because the only asset would be the homestead. So we want to try to make sure that the only asset going through probate would be the house,